smoke. They want me to show y'all this food, y'all. Hey, what's up with it, man? Oh. Hold on, y'all. Let me see what this food hitting like. Oh, snap, I got some follows. Insect, whatever. I don't even know how to say it. What do you got, man? Look out. All right, they steady going. Oh, y'all steady adding?
Yeah.
How you doing over here?
I'm fine. How are you?
Nothing much. They talking about y'all got everything. They talking about y'all got everything over here. I need to come back. Them ribs.
Yeah, come back.
I'm going to come back, man. I'm going to let y'all get situated and organized.
Okay.
And then I'm going to come back.
We was done.
Yeah, I'm finna.
We had some more food, so we just put these back on.
Ooh. Y'all sharing them too?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I'll be back.
We had 20 slabs.
20 slabs?
Sure.
Well, don't let them get away.
Okay.
I'm going to be back, miss. I don't want to.
About 15 or 20 minutes.
15, 20. All right. I'm going to catch these races. I'm on the way back. Yeah, they got some ribs, y'all. I don't think we done missed the race yet or nothing. Oh, okay, yeah, we missed one of them little pro mod thingies. They might tell you to go over that way. They might say you can't be on this side. You might get time and let them tell you, but hey. Oh, now hold on. Because if he tell you, they gonna tell me too. Now, so you just go on the stands or something. Hey, how you doing? Let me see, 726. I need to be over there at 740. Oh, okay, my bad. Real Dragster. I'm gonna remember that name. Damn, I'm the only one on the track. I'll be just walking like I own it. They got a carburetor problem, man. Damn. Okay, here we go right here. I bet he ain't bet Keezy no extra 100. So I know Keezy would have betted him. Where y'all going right here? I think really this is a good race. right lane for the win. Right lane for the win. I picked the right one. Who got to set up the predictions? I ain't never did the predictions, y'all. What I got to do that? Yeah, I gotta put the predictions on my channel, y'all. Is that me? That's something I need to do, or is that I need to call my boy Twisted Soul in the building? Hey. Okay. Oh, damn. Twisted Soul. Let's get some predictions in here, man. Boy, this thing is showing pretty good. I ain't gonna lie. Okay. No, that's an old mo. They got that slow rev. Shake the snake, y'all. This is all the zoom I got. What's up with it, man?
He will whoop you.
You think so? That would have got me. I need to get all that out of everybody's system. I'm glad I'm still a factor to get raced. Pick a dick, so he said I gotta upgrade that camera. I understand. I'm just starting, man. I just got the back. Look out, man. Man, what's your prediction for tonight? Who finna win this sell mo?
I don't know who in the sell more.
Oh, I thought that was part of.
So I ain't gonna win.
Oh, okay. Let me see what's coming up next then. Oh, that's slack. Oh, dog, you ready to hear this news that you can use? I got some news that you can use. Let me hear this Cam over here. He got this big block capped off like it's regular.